All right, guys. Hello, hello. My name is Nick, and this is Trading Options with Nick. Today, we're doing another recap, and it's actually the play I actually bought puts. So we decided to short the market. Um, when you're ready, like I said, you're gonna hear me a lot say for this month or for a lot of these videos. If we're at all-time highs, best believe your boy's shorting it. All right, no questions asked. No questions asked. All right. So we did short the market. So let's get into how the trade played out. So see you there. All right, guys. Here's the trade. So as you could tell, shorting like the man I am, we got it. You know what I mean? So today the market, well, the day that I took this trade, the market did open a little bit choppy. It was in a range. It was actually in a good 5 minute range. So we didn't really take any puts yet. Now, when I saw the 10:05, that big red candle, it did give me alert that I did want to get into some puts, and then we did end up getting to puts around like 10:20. So we didn't get up all the way up here, but if you could tell, we did sink here. And as soon as we got that big red candle, I already put my stop loss in the green. So if we did continue all the way down, I would have followed it. But as well as you can see from the day beforehand, we bounced here. We bounced two times the close before, and so when we went down here, putting it there was quick, and then guess what you could see? We bounced again. As you could tell, we actually ran, right? So that's why you never stay in a trade too long. I really was just targeting the market gap fill, and as soon as we gap filled here, I saw that, like I said, the day before, we bounced, and then here we did bounce again. We ran. All right. Now here's a little sneak peek of the other video. As you can tell, the trade is still going on. I'm actually doing it when the market is open, but we did make a green trade on this one. But the next video, you'll see how we executed this trade. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to ask. Please, I'm doing this for the whole month. Full transparency, so you guys understand. I know it's very hard to find a lot of trustworthy people in this industry, and I know with this industry as well, you can make a lot of money if you are smart. But yeah, see you in the next one.